Hello, my name is Lewis Visaso, a student of civil engineering at International University of East Africa. I'm with my colleague today at the Recycling and Innovation Lab.
Yes, my name is Hassan Omar. I'm also a student at the International University of East Africa pursuing civil engineering. Today we are here at the Recycling Lab where mostly we deal into recycling of plastic. We know how recycling plastic is important. First of all, it saves the environment. The environmental impact that plastic has caused can be saved. And also, plastic helps us on things to do with boosting the economy. With our recycling lab here, we are able to make different products that can be sold out there, and when we equip these skills with the young people, they can be able to go outside there and make a living. So we are going to take you through the lab, how we recycle the plastic, and how we are able to come up with those different products, things to do with the flower vessels, eco bricks, and everything. So please come with us.
So globally, the whole world is having an issue of plastic wastes, and as IUS students, we have contributed to the reduction of plastic wastes in our environment by collecting all the plastic bottles and recycling them in our lab. You see, we have contributed on this by collecting all this. We get them from different nearby communities in our environment, in our neighboring communities like Kitalanga and all other communities which are near Kansang. So we get these different plastics, and then we bring them in these different DIY machines, which are used to crush them, and then we heat them at a very high temperature to produce different products using different molds, as you can see here. So this is a full bottle of it. You put it into these machine crushers. After crushing them, the plastic crushers, then you bring them into different heaters using different molds. As you can see here, we have different molds. This is the crushed plastic. We crush it using this machine, and then we pour it into a high temperature machine which heats it up, and then we use different molds to come up with different shapes. So we can create different shapes, like we can come up with different flavors for as long as we have a better mold. You can make bricks which have been concrete bricks. You make plastic bricks, or we can call them recycled plastic bricks. We even have a sample of a table. So we made these stands which are actually substituting for timber. We made them from recycled plastics. So we have saved on the amount of trees that are cut to get timber. We have recycled plastics to make a substitute of timber, and we are coming up with a very beautiful bottle. Even when you look on that side, we can actually come up with the same type of chair, but with this from recycled plastic. This is a chair which is made from purely recycled plastics, and it can substitute a chair. And now we use these in our library, at the IA library. We use these, which we make them from our recycled plastics. So generally, that's it. You can come up with different products, like as I've said, products like cups and maybe flower vessels. We can make soap dishes, we can make phone covers, basing on your interested product and the product which can be of sale at the market. We've seen the whole process of recycling plastics and different products we can come up with. Miss Edna, tell us one advantage of recycling plastics.
An advantage of recycling plastic is that it increases soil fertility by reducing the amount of plastic in the soil.
Yes, Mr. Arnold, what do you think?
Recycling plastics can create job opportunities for the locals and also saving energy.
Thank you.
Yes, as we have all heard from them, the benefits that we can get in recycling plastics, and we all know the harm that plastic has caused to the environment in terms of the environmental impact. And under Building to Shelter Africa, we are looking forward to having an Africa that is sustainable, and this is one of the projects that we have started under Build to Shelter Africa, where we are going to be recycling this plastic and come up with different products like our friends have said. Build to Shelter Africa is also a program that is under the IUE Venture Nexus, a program that helps to guide students to put their ideas into reality and be able to go outside there and compete in the market. So I call out each and everyone outside there, come join us on this campaign of recycling plastics and make new products out of the already existing plastic. Thank you.